Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Keeping an eye on your credit cards and credit accounts is crucial. With Empower, you can monitor balances and performances all in one place. And I'm going to show you exactly how to monitor credit account performances and balances on Empower. Now, the first point is to link your credit accounts. So start by linking your credit cards, line of credit, or personal loans all in Empower. Once synchronized, you're going to see updated balances automatically. Next point is to view balances and utilizations. So check the accounts or transactions tab to see your balance history. And Power also helps you to monitor credit utilization. This of course is how much of your available credit you're actually using. Third point is to spot trends and interest impact. You're going to notice patterns like balances creeping up or payments reducing debt. This gives you a clear view of how interest charges may affect your progress. Fourth point is to set alerts. Turn on alerts for due dates or spending spikes so you never miss a payment and keep your utilization ratio healthy. By monitoring credit balances with Empower, you'll protect your credit score and avoid unnecessary debt surprises. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.